Mission is to make therapy affordable and accessible for all.
That's the pitch. This isn't talk therapy, though. This is text therapy, where sessions are conducted through online messaging. For these co-founders, the idea began when couples therapy helped them through a difficult time, as husband and wife.
Both Ronnie and I, we love traditional face-to-face therapy. We've done it for ages. We're not fighting it. We're not trying to replace it. We just think that since the average cost is around $150 an hour, it's completely inaccessible for most people in need.
Oren and Roni Frank say they've used technology to cut down overhead costs and create efficiencies. That's allowed them to lower the price of treatment. They appeal to therapists like Nicole Amesbury, who says she enjoys the flexibility of practicing online.
Yeah, you can be anywhere.
But who is it meant to help?
We call it therapy for all, so it's really, text therapy is really, I'm gonna say, for anyone who is interested to know more about therapy.
Are there types of clients that you would recommend this type of therapy for and some that you would not?
Some people need a higher level of care. Some people, they need to see a psychiatrist, they need to be stabilized on medication.
How are you able to assess that, though, when you are in a chat room where you're texting?
Because people are always trying to show you who they are.
You know, I think texting can be effective if it's a supplement to ongoing face-to-face therapy.
Robi Ludwig is a New York psychotherapist. She worries that without seeing a patient, communication could be misinterpreted and emergencies hard to monitor.
What if someone becomes suicidal over time? Or there's a drug issue that you can't see or address? There's a lot to be said about seeing a person face-to-face and getting a lot of information that a therapist can interpret and analyze. The problem is we don't have any good research yet.
Talkspace points to studies from the University of Zurich and others showing the benefits of online and text therapy. But psychologists at the American Psychological Association reviewed the abstracts, and a spokesperson told us in a statement, while in general the research is credible, it doesn't focus on text therapy as the specific or sole intervention. So it would be inaccurate to say the findings demonstrate its effectiveness. Here in New York, where Talkspace is based, the co-founders say venture capitalists are more receptive to the concept, a contrast to Silicon Valley.
The action that you get is this.
And what is it in New York?
In New York, yeah, sure, I'll have some therapy with my lunch, sure.
No, New York, oh yeah, I'm married to a therapist and my sister is a therapist.
Lauren Lister, Yahoo Finance, New York.